Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download statement on Starling Bank. If you need a statement for work, rent or fire or a personal record, don't worry, this is easy to do. Let's get started. First, open the Starling Bank app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the account balance or account name. This will open account details and transfer list. Now tap on the menu or more option button. Look for the statement and tap on it. You will see a different statement option. Choose the data range you like monthly, last 3 months or customer date range. After selecting the date, tap download. Your statement will be downloaded as a PDF file or CSV file. Once the download is complete, you can view the statement in the app, save it to your phone or share it by email or WhatsApp. And that's it. Your Starlink statement is now downloaded and ready to use. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.